Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Kona versus Skoda, which is better. Start by checking prices, fuel economy, safety scores, and standard features. Next, test drive both to feel steering, comfort, and visibility differences. Then measure cargo and rear seat room to match family or gear needs. Finally, estimate insurance and maintenance to see long-term costs so you can pick the smarter car for your lifestyle. Let's talk performance and economy in a friendly way that helps you decide. Drive impressions tell you about acceleration, handling, and city responsiveness before numbers do. Look at fuel economy figures and real-world averages to predict monthly fuel costs. Also assess braking feel and suspension comfort for daily commuting. These combined points reveal whether the Kona's zest or the Skoda's refinement fits your priorities and budget. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack nicely in cup holders and fit perfectly in trunk grocery bags, great for road trips and busy weeks. I use them to keep snacks and sauces from spilling during test drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we focus on interior and practicality, so you know which car handles life better. Inspect materials and panel gaps to judge long-term durability and perceived quality. Test the infotainment for responsiveness and smartphone compatibility, because daily ease matters. Measure boot space and rear seat room if you carry luggage, pets, or car seats. Small storage cubbies and easy-to-use controls can make one model far more pleasant daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.